Today, I will show you how to play Tekken 6 on any Android device in 2026 and the best settings to utilize to get the best FPS and performance.
Get ready for the next round. What do you want? Round one. Fight.
Now, to get this done, simply start by downloading this emulator called ppsspp emulator on your Google Play Store. Then once you are done with that, download this app that is called Z Archiver. I'm going to let you know why you need this app pretty soon. Now, once you are done downloading both of these, open the ppsspp emulator for the first time. Once you open it for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Click on OK. Then it's going to take you to your directory. So normally it's going to take you to your main directory like this. So once you get to your main directory, choose any folder that you want it to utilize. As for me, I like it using the document section. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click on OK. Now, once I do this, it's going to open the PSP interface. As you can see, there's no game in here to play. Now, this is where you are going to need your Z Archiver. Now, open your Z Archiver app and locate your PSP game file. For this video, it's going to be the Tekken 6 game file. So I'm going to go to my download section. You can see I'm having the Tekken 6 game file in here. It's actually a zip file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on it. Once I tap on it, you're going to see theory extract option. First, you are going to see extract here. Second, you see extract to, and then third, you see extract with a 3-dot icon. So right now, we're going to click this third option, which is extract with the 3-dot icon. Once you click on it, go back to your main directory and locate your PSP game file. If you remember, we used the document section. So click on documents. You can see there's a PSP folder in here now. So click on the PSP, the game, and now below you are going to see an icon. This icon means that we want to extract the game file into this folder. So all you have to do, click on the icon. So once I click on it, it's going to start extracting the main game file inside the PSP game folder. So right now, as you can see, it is done with that. So we're going to go back to our PSP emulator. So once we open the emulator, you can see there's still no game to play. That's because it doesn't even know where we kept the game file. So we have to show it. So you click on browse, go to your main directory, and then show it where you're keeping the game. PSP game. This is where we are keeping our game. So click on use this folder, allow, and just like that, you can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now, if you're finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button, because doing that is actually going to help me to grow my YouTube channel. Now, you're going to need some settings to give you the best FPS and also best performance on any Android device. I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to be recommending it at the end of this video. So all you have to do is just stick to the end of this video so you can have access to that. Now, let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
What do you want? Round one. Fight.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.